How to withdraw Coinbase wallet to your bank account. So to withdraw from your Coinbase wallet to your bank account, you'll need to first sell your cryptocurrency and then withdraw the resulting fiat currency. So here's a step-by-step guide. So first thing you want to do is sell your currency. So go to the app, navigate to the sell or the cash out option, select your cryptocurrency, choose your payment method, enter the amount, and then review and confirm. Now, you need to choose your bank account. So, to withdraw to your bank account, first navigate to the withdraw or the cash out option. Select your bank account, enter the amount, and lastly, review the confirmers. So, these are some important notes. So, verification first, you must ensure your bank account is properly verified and linked to your Coinbase account. Also, you must be aware of any minimum withdrawal amounts for your specific cryptocurrencies. And take note that there are processing times. The funds may take several business days to appear in your bank account, depending on your bank's processing times. So, these are the ways to sell or cash out your crypto from your Coinbase wallet. You can do it using this Coinbase.com payment method or using a third-party provider like options to cash out crypto from Coinbase wallet like Coinbase.com or a different cryptocurrency provider. So those are the ways on how to withdraw your Coinbase wallet to your bank account.